In this episode, I am going to show you how to open or disassemble HP OfficeJet Pro 3610 printer. This is a mono inkjet printer and cartridge number is 960. There are two types of cartridge, one is 960 plain and other is 960 XL. This is 960 XL cartridge. And now I am going to show you how to open this printer. First unscrew all the nuts with a T10 screwdriver. Open the cartridge cover. Then there are three nuts front side. One is 2, and another is 3. There are 3 nuts in front side and 5 nuts in back side. We have opened all 3 nuts. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have opened all nuts of this printer. Now we have to only disassemble this printer. We have opened all the nuts. You have to just pull it to topwards left side of the printer. There is lock on the lower side of the printer. There are 3 locks. There are 3 locks back side of the printer. Now only you have to lose these locks, and after that first you have to unlock the 3 locks lower side of the printer, 1, 2 and 3, and just pull the cover towards back side of the printer. Now the printer is open. This is the left view of the OfficeJet 3610 printer. And then you have to just take